let's look at this real quickly. I want to talk about the sticker function or the sticker feature here on Canva. So it's pretty cool. They're basically like little animations that you can include in your design. I've been using them for my intros and outros on my YouTube videos, but you could do them just with images as well. So we're gonna go to where should we go? What should we do first? Let's look at templates, and we'll just do. Oh, let's go into it. We'll just do a poster, and we'll choose a. We'll go with classroom rules. Use this template. Okay, I haven't even read the rules. I don't even know what they say. Maybe we should include these in our classroom. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to elements on the left-hand side, and I'm going to simply type stickers. And once I type in stickers in that search bar right there, you're going to see I have some animations. And these are all things that you can add to your work to kind of spice it up a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and include this one here. Actually, I'm going to put it right on this megaphone. Get a little smaller. Just sizing it down. Oop. Command Z, we don't want that moved. Now there's so many elements here. Here we go. Kind of like how it looks like there's sound coming out of that microphone now. You see that? We're going to zoom in a bit. Whoop, there we go. Awesome, you can kind of see it a little better. So it looks like there's sound coming out of that microphone. And I want to put some emphasis on, let's say that have fun learning. We'll put some emphasis on that. And what's cool about these is you can edit them or crop them in ways just like you can do other images, like flipping them or cropping them. So I think that's kind of cool too. I'm going to get rid of this heart, get rid of this. I'm going to put this hand right there. So this one, obviously you couldn't use it as a poster, but you can still do some fun things with these stickers to help spice up your works here on Canva. Go ahead. I'm going to try another one for you. I just want to show you how you can flip it. So if I come here, oh, that is enormous, and we're going to rotate it. There we go, 90 degrees. Let's say I want it on the other side. So I'm going to flip it, flip horizontally. Nope, I'm going to flip vertically. Ooh, look at me. It's late over here. It's late. And I want it to be on tidy. I want it to actually go back horizontally. There we go. So we want to put an emphasis on the word tidy. So I have this finger touching the word there. So a little more emphasis, right? Okay, and remember, in the search bar, after you go to elements, type in stickers. That's how you find these animated additions to your works. Yay!